You're browsing property ads late at night, and every decent place that won't crumble tomorrow demands around $500,000. The bathrooms feature outdated tiles from the early 2000s. The floors are neutral-toned and worn. The garage has mismatched shelving, yet the seller labels it a first-time buyer gem. You're crunching figures based on your paycheck, questioning if you overlooked a big raise or if property values have spiraled out of control. The truth. It's the calculations exposing the gap, not your oversight. Hello, I'm James, and in this deep dive, we're exposing the raw truth about affording a $500,000 property in 2026, what it truly demands beyond bank approval, focusing on sustainable living without constant money worries. Baseline market realities. In numerous U.S. regions today, $500,000 barely secures a modest 1,300 square foot dwelling with basic 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout, and minimal outdoor space. Think patio napkin sized. Locations like Phoenix suburbs, Nashville outskirts, or Raleigh areas set this as the entry point for standard family setups. The national median household income hovers at $83,730, meaning typical earners face properties priced nearly 6 times yearly pay, a stark mismatch historically viewed as risky. Lenders push approvals, family shares old stories of cheaper buys, social feeds hype no down payment wins, but reality diverges sharply from possible down payment hurdles. Traditional wisdom calls for 20% upfront on $500,000, that's $100,000 liquid, yet average U.S. savings sit under $10,000, creating an insurmountable chasm. Saving 10% from $83,730 income yields $6,967 annually after taxes, stretching 14-plus years, ignoring rising prices that outpace wages by double digits yearly. Opting for 5 to 10% down, say $50,000 on a $450,000 loan, triggers PMI, a 0.5 to 1.5% annual fee on the loan, adding $188 to $563 monthly to shield lenders from your risk. This penalty compounds from day one, inflating costs before occupancy. Core mortgage breakdown. For that $450,000 loan at 2026's 6.02% 30-year fixed rate, principal and interest alone hit $2,704 monthly. Rates fluctuate near 6%, but even slight hikes amplify burdens over decades. This excludes life's extras. Layer on property taxes at the U.S. average, effective 0.89%, $370 monthly conservative for $500,000 assessed value. Homeowners insurance averages $2,424 yearly or $202 monthly, surging in risk zones from weather volatility. Hidden ownership expenses. Maintenance claims 1% of value annually, $5,000 or $417 monthly. For roofs, HVAC, plumbing surprises no one budgets initially. HOA fees in many communities add $200 to $500 more, plus utilities scaling with square footage. $400 to $600 encompassing power, water, gas, net. Unexpected hits like $4,000 furnace failures or $1,500 tree removals erase buffers fast. Total, roughly $4,068 monthly baseline, $2,704 mortgage, plus $371 tax, plus $202 insurance, plus $417 maintenance, plus $375 PMI. Buffer for repairs or inflation, minimal. Income thresholds revealed. Advisors cap housing at 28% gross income. Banks greenlight up to 43% debt to income. Reverse math on $4,068 monthly demands $174,354 yearly at 28%, top 15 to 20% earners only, or $113,533 at 43%, still above median by 35%. Only 12.7% households top $200,000, 9.3% hit $150,000 to $200,000, leaving 80% plus mismatched for comfort. This math indicts markets, not individuals. Prices up 50% since 2019, incomes lagging. Dual income family. Snapshot. Consider the Patels, combined $160,000 from tech sales and nursing, upper middle tier, Post-taxes/FICA/401k, $9,300 monthly take-home. Deduct $4,068 housing, $5,232 left. Dual commutes, $700. Cars/gas/insurance. Student debt, $550. Groceries for 4, $850. Health premiums, $450. Utilities, $500. Remainder, $1,182 for kids' sports, clothes, dining out, emergencies, 46% housing bite, no savings room. Code, execution result. 1 layoff or $3,000, AC bill cascades to credit reliance. Daily strain of overreach. This manifests as pre-grocery balance checks, skipping family outings for $50 fees, midnight tire worries amid rain forecasts. Braces, financed, fender bender deductible, charged. Constant triage erodes joy, trapping owners in stress cycles despite ownership pride. Median earners at $83,000 face impossibility. Monthly needs exceed take-home post-housing. Stretching invites fragility, not stability. System incentives expose sellers. Price via comps, ignoring affordability. Agents earn on closes, brokers on loans. None prioritize your decade-long viability. Approvals at 43%. DTI prioritize volume over sleep quality. Post-close traps amplify. Credit hits from missed payments. Equity locked amid needs. Markets normalize this, rebranding scarcity as adulting. But generational shifts, homes 3 times income then versus 6 times now, betray the lie. Renting as strategic pivot. Renting frees 20 to 30% more for investments yielding 7 to 10% returns versus home appreciation minus costs. Portability aids job shifts, no repair calls. In high-cost zones, $2,500 rent versus $4,000. Own preserves $18,000 yearly for stocks. Retirement, compounding to $1 million plus over 20 years. No shame in opting out. It's math, not defeat. Relocation and scale down. Wins target Midwest gems. $300,000 buys superior space in Indianapolis or Omaha. Taxes half national average. Smaller footprints/maintenance 40%. Commutes shorten. Remote work enables Sunbelt affordability without coastal premiums. Prioritize lifestyle over square footage. 3-bed ranches thrive under $350,000 viable. Long-term wealth builders. True assets. Budget slack for 15% retirement saves, $10,000 emergency pots, skill upgrades boosting pay 20%. Equity builds slowly if payments strangle liquidity. Index funds average 10% historically, outpacing leveraged homes post-fees. Freedom trumps forced frugality. Stress-free nights fuel bold careers. Cultural myths debunked. Rent wastes money. Ignores ownership pitfalls like illiquid assets during downturns. Stretch for equity. Forfeits investing prime years. Parents' era had 4% rates, stagnant prices. Today's 6% plus demands realism. Influencers omit failures. Stats show 10% plus defaults in stretches. Practical threshold guide. Under $140,000 household, pause $500,000 pursuits, ruin looms. Test, post all costs, 50% plus disposable, green light, map taxes via tools, quote insurances, simulate via calculators. Viable max, often $350,000 to $400,000 for medians, preserving life quality. Stretch consequences unpacked. Initial thrill fades. Month 3, appliance dies. Financed. Month 6, job flux. Hours cut. Shortfall. No fund built equals credit spiral. 20% APR traps. House poor steals vacations, hobbies, health. Resale losses if forced. Normalized? No. Symptom of imbalance. Permission to pause. Reject FOMO. No medal for misery. Markets may dip 5 to 10% by 2027 per forecasts. Rates stabilize. Save aggressively. $500 per month at 7% yields $200,000 in 20 years. Build credit, networks, position for optimal entry. Expanded cost. Scenarios vary down payments. 5%, $25,000 balloons, PMI, to $563, total $4,256. 20% drops loan to $400,000, PI, $2,402, no PMI, $3,798 total, needing $162,000 income. Utilities spike 20% in winters. Flood insurance adds $150 in prone areas. RO is. Appreciation 3 to 4% lags. Stocks sans leverage risks. Regional affordability maps. Northeast. NJ. Taxes 1.89%. Jack $9,000 yearly. Avoid unless $200,000 plus. South. SC 0.45%. Favors $2,800 total. West. CA. Insurance $3,000 plus from fires. Midwest medians, $250,000 align better with $80,000 incomes. Tools like Zillow Affordability pinpoint fits. Income growth paths. Boost via certifications. IT certs add $20,000. Nursing shifts, $15,000. Side gigs net $1,000 monthly sans burnout. Dual incomes shine, but childcare erodes $12,000 yearly. FactorNet. Raises average 3 to 5%, promotions 10 to 20%. Plan ladders. Emergency preparedness. Stock 6 months expenses, $25,000 goal. High yield savings 5% APY grows buffers. Insure comprehensively. Umbrella policies $200 per year, shield lawsuits. Annual audits catch leaks early. Investment alternatives. Deep dive S&P 500 historical 10.5%. Post-inflation crushes home 4 to 5% net. REITs offer real estate sans headaches. Dividends reinvest. Crypto/stocks diversify, but 80/20 stocks/bonds suits risk averse. Compounding magic. $10,000 yearly at 8% equals $1.3 million in 25 years. Policy and future shifts. Fed cuts eyed for 2026 could drop rates to 5.5%, shaving $200 monthly. Inventory rises 10%, tempering prices. Trump's policies may deregulate builds, boosting supply. Watch Q2 data. Affordability edges up 3% via wage gains. Psychological toll addressed. Chronic stress elevates cortisol. Health costs $5,000 plus yearly. Gratitude journals. Budget apps reclaim control. Communities normalize renting. Peers hide struggles. Your clarity wins. Custom budget templates track via spreadsheets. Income minus taxes equals net. Allocate 25% housing max, 15% saves, 10% fun. Apps auto-categorize, forecast shortfalls. Annual reviews adapt to life shifts. Success stories spotlighted. Case 1. $120,000 couple rents $2,200, invests $1,500 per month, $400,000 portfolio in 5 years, buys cash. Case 2. Relocates Ohio, $320,000 home at 22% housing ratio, thrives. Case 3. Scales to condo, frees $800 for business launch. Final math reckoning. $500,000 demands $175,000 plus for sanity. Medians can't. Choose realism. Rent, relocate, invest. Wealth flows from decisions, not delusions. Run your Sims. Thrive awaits.